Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. This is Pisces for the weekend of the 30th of October, the weekend. Just a mini read to check on your energies and see how you guys are doing. And these are general collective readings, Pisces, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin here. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Pisces, as always, we're going to take an angel blessing card to top the reading and see what the angels have for you. My angels, can I have a blessing or an advice card, please, for my Pisces? Blessing or an advice card for their weekend? Confidence. This is the card of St. Michael holding a shiny sword. Okay, so yes, confidence is confidence, but this card also means that it's time to use the sword, Pisces, to cut off anything that's negative in your life. Right? This sword allows you, gives you the power to clean up your space, basically, any karmic ties or any energies around you which are not working. Okay, so I don't know why this card is here for you, Pisces. I'm not going to talk too much about it without seeing your cards and seeing in what context this card has come for you today. Okay, so let's begin your reading here. And Pisces, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here, showing up for me today. I'm very blessed to have you here. Thank you so much for all your support to the channel. And of course, if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Pisces, let's see what's in store for you and how your energies are this weekend. Of course, if you need a private reading, my schedule is now open for November. You can get in touch on the email ID given below. So, lost a bit of that fire, it seems, Pisces. Ace of Wands is in reverse. What's happened here? Let's check. Queen of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, and the Nine of Swords. Wow, both in reverse. They're very good cards. You'll be leaving some stress and tension, or you want to. Let's see, Justice in reverse, Ten of Cups, and the Page of Cups. Okay, so there are two upright cards here, and a few reversals as well. Let's see what's happening here. Pisces, I think you had a lot of love and passion and care for someone, right? But now I think whatever has happened between the two of you, there was a lot of attraction here in the past. But now I think it's time for you to make a decision, Pisces. Now you feel whatever this connection was, even though you were at one time feeling this is a soulmate and this is going to be a forever and ever kind of a relationship, I think now the memories that have been created between the two of you are not that great, right? The feminine energy seems to be thinking that maybe waiting still waiting for some decisions to be made, because I think this person here, this Pisces, could be you. You're wanting to come out of this zone of stress and tension and not sleeping at night. You're feeling the hurt and the pain of maybe some love situation gone wrong. You feel there is no more love here and the memories created are not that good. Maybe somebody got the better of you here. Somebody was trying to play mind games with you, and you're making a kind of a decision here, I think, to stop fighting for this connection, Pisces. You don't want to live in stress and tension all the time. You don't want to have sleepless nights all the time. Yes, you're feeling the pain of this connection going right now, but you know that this was not a very just situation. There was no justice to the situation. Maybe you were waiting for an apology from this person, and as the days went by, you felt more and more and more and more stuck, um, because this person was just not opening up, not coming forward with that apology, and you felt like, I'm going to stay in this hangman's place forever. This is not kind of evening out this situation, and there is no justice, and this thing did not make you feel happy at all. You lost your strength here waiting, and holding on to that hope that maybe one day this apology will come, maybe there will be a turnaround. All in all, this was an unhappy situation for you at that point. You were feeling. This is just the background story, Pisces. I'll open these three cards later to see what's going to happen this weekend. But yeah, you felt your wish fulfillment will never come. This person just doesn't open up to me, and you were waiting for them to return. You were waiting, okay? Don't lie to me here. As much as you want to get over your stress and tension, you were waiting for a return, maybe you were waiting for an apology, by feeling stuck, holding back, but losing your strength day by day. There is a page of cups here. I want to clarify that. What's this page of cups, Spirit? One more. That is confusing, energy, Spirit. Oops. Okay. Letting go of some stress and tension, but there seems to be a bit of a conflict here. This chapter hasn't shut down completely, Pisces. You're still in the middle of it. You're trying to have maybe pull in this person's energy with your love. This person is very reckless even now. You're still healing from the shock of this fight, I think. Still hoping and wishing and maybe intuitively attracting this person back to you to bring you this apology. You are not happy. Sorry. Sorry. Ace of Pentacles, Three of Swords, and yeah, see, there is as much as you are trying to attract this person in back, Pisces, I don't see any fresh beginning, at least not this weekend, right? This person has been playing mind games with you. I think this weekend you'll come to that realization that there's still too many secrets here. This person is just not opening up to you, not offering you any fresh beginning, and you're going to realize that it's time now. I let go of all this stress and tension and let go of this heartbreak instead of just going back and forth, all the time. Yes, you have a lot of love for this person. Yes, you do. But you're making a conscious decision here, seeing this person's behavior. They make you always feel like you lost, right? They want to have the upper hand always. They come in with the games that they play. They try and create competition around you. You are wanting justice in this situation, yes. But you also know that this is a kind of a toxic energy which keeps you bound. So there's a lot of contemplation, healing going on, a lot of regrets for the past. You're not feeling very happy, but you are trying to make that decision, Pisces, to with all the love in your heart, with all the love in your heart, with all the expectations in your heart, you are finally, I think, coming to that realization that this person is no good for you and only creates conflict in your life. As much as you wanted a happily ever after with this person, I think, Pisces, as you kind of dropping it this weekend. You're coming to this realization that it's not worth your tears. It's not worth you being stressed out all the time, right? Since this person, like you've tried to manifest this person's apology or a message and it hasn't come, and you are realizing that maybe it may never come. So this weekend I see you trying to heal your broken heart and coming to terms with bringing justice back to yourself. And instead of fighting for something which makes you unhappy, dropping this fight altogether, Pisces. And it's not making you very happy, but at least it'll get you out of this hermit mode that you've been in, the stuck place that you've been in. Yes, you know that they bring in a very mischievous energy. They have not yet messaged you, and nor are you messaging them anymore, right? Things have come to quite a status quo here. So maybe it's time, yes, to use the sword, Pisces, and cut off some things which are no longer working for you. Okay, at least for this weekend, this is your mindset. Of course, Monday onwards, I'll start the love readings where I will tap into their energy also and see what the other person is thinking. But this is just a general overview for your weekend. This weekend, I think You are on the verge of giving up now and saying, hey, might as well heal myself, come out of this stuck place and bring justice to myself. So that's all I have for you, Pisces. I hope it resonated. I hope it didn't actually. I hate to see people sad or upset, but you will come out of it one way or the other. You're strong and you're making that decision for yourself. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.